Snapdragon 626 social mated to 6GB of RAM at its core. You get an onboard storage of 64GB, which can be expanded up to 256GB through a dedicated memory card slot. On its fascia, the device flaunts a 5.99-inch FullView display with a resolution of 720x1440 pixels. Keeping up with the newest trend of bezel-less smartphones, Vivo V9 Plus comes with screen-to-body ratio of 84.4%. The device draws power from a 3500 mAh battery. The Vivo V9 Plus is officially launched with a 5.99-inch 18:9 display having the resolution of 1440x720 pixels. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 626 processor, 6GB RAM, and 64GB internal storage.